Horses out, we have Don Jaime. Pass to begin, moving up area, so now is perfect timing. West Stream is running by the third, then followed by Wanderleb. Next in line is Work of Heart and Dugos. Paramore is the early trailer. We have perfect timing, goes on by about 5 lengths. And in second is Don Jaime. West Stream is running by the a length and a half. Back in fourth is Wanderleb. Then followed by Work of Heart and Dugos. Paramore is still racing in last. And that's still perfect timing by about 2.5 lengths. West Stream moving up, Don Jaime on the outside. Wanderleb now trying to get closer in fourth. Then comes Work of Heart and Dugos. Paramore. And that's still perfect timing by about 2.5 lengths. West Stream remains in second, and in third, Don Jaime moving up, Wanderleb on the outside. Then followed over by Work of Heart and Dugos. Paramore. And it's still perfect timing by about 4 lengths. Wanderleb now moving up to take second. Work of Heart is racing in third. Then comes West Stream, Don Jaime and Dugos. Paramore. And it's still perfect timing by about 3 lengths. And in second remains Wanderleb. Then comes Work of Heart. Last 100 meters, we have perfect timing by about 5 lengths. Aber Wanderleb, and finally perfect timing. Second, Wanderleb. Then comes Work of Heart, West Stream, Dugos, Paramore, and Don Jaime.